Digital marketing is one of the fastest growing job markets there is right now. This is because more companies are closing down their brick and mortar stores and are conducting business online, which is indicating that the majority of businesses will be online in the future, which proves that businesses will need someone who specializes in digital marketing. So in this video, I will be going over what is digital marketing and how you can make money with this skill. So make sure to stay tuned. So starting out, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the use of the internet to reach customers. You reach customers by email, social media, digital advertising, and many other ways. This is extremely helpful when it comes to driving traffic to your website when the majority of businesses are transitioning over to online business. The first way you can make money with digital marketing is through affiliate marketing. This is the oldest type of digital marketing. Basically, this is how it works. You review a product via YouTube or blog, then you add a link to your page to buy the product. Now, every time someone buys that product using your link, you will earn a small commission from that sale. Many online e-commerce giants have affiliate programs like Amazon. You can find tons of products to review and make money every time someone buys that product using your link. While most people start to take the affiliate route because it's an easier path, you should also consider that building enough traffic to make a reasonable income isn't easy. Another way you can make money in digital marketing will be in SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. This is when you try to rank your link as high as possible on the search results. For instance, you're in the business of selling chairs, so you think to yourself, what will people who want to buy a chair will type into Google? Probably things like buying chairs online, the coolest chair, or even the best chairs of 2020. When people type those searches into Google, 80% of the people will click on the link on the first page of results, which could potentially lead to a sale. So if you're in the business of selling chairs, you will need to get your link ranked on the first page of Google. Digital marketers are in charge of this. They know exactly how to get websites ranked as high as possible. This will also apply to YouTube, where you review a product, but you need to get your video ranked as high as possible in order to get more views, which can lead to more sales of that chair you are trying to sell. The final way to make money as a digital marketer is through email listing. You probably seen websites where it asks for your email and it offers you a free product or information. The purpose of this is for the business or the person to maintain a relationship with you. They can send you newsletters, promos, product, free information, and even when a new product comes out, staying connected with you at another level. This is considered one of the most profitable ways to make money as a digital marketer, and it's also considered one of the most profitable skills in digital marketing. The great thing about digital marketing is that you don't need a college degree in order to get started in digital marketing. The only thing companies are looking for in digital marketers is experience. If you can prove to them that you can improve their sales for them, then you're most likely to get hired. Just think about it. What company wouldn't like to increase their sales? And another great thing about digital marketing is that you don't need to spend $10,000s to become one, or spend 4 to 5 years in school to get a degree. You can learn these skills from people who have already done it. You can find courses online that offer a full refund if the course does not teach what it promised. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about digital marketing? Is this a career path that you want to choose? So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button. It will really help out my channel. Also, feel free to share my content to anybody who you think it will help them out. So thank you guys for tuning in, and now it's time for me to tune out.